This is a review of the Proctor Silex Steam Iron, and I wanted to demonstrate just how well this iron works and the steaming ability. Now, to use it, it's very simple. It's got a retractable cord here, and you just plug it in. You're gonna fill up this reservoir here with water up to the max, and then the steam control knob is over here, so you can go for minimum steam or maximum steam, which I'm going to demonstrate right now. Now this is the minimum steam. Now we're going to go to maximum. It also has the safety of 3 auto shutoffs. If you keep it in a prolonged position this way or on the side or even this way, after a few minutes it does shut off on its own. It is very well built. It's got a stainless steel Soleplate here. Now over here, you're gonna have the temperature control depending on what you're ironing. If it's gonna be a lower temperature, you simply move it here. If it's a synthetic fabric, silk, and then maximum temperature for cotton. Now the other nice thing, it's got a self-clean button up here. And I would highly recommend this for anyone who wants iron, especially with good steam ability.